This is a sample of sorbitol propellant, KNSB, that was cast exactly 1 week ago for an experiment to determine if storing propellant in the freezer would help it retain its flexibility. This propellant was cast, as I mentioned, 1 week ago, and after 2.5 hours it was placed in a freezer at minus 23 degrees Celsius and kept there until about 1 hour ago. It was removed and allowed to reach room temperature. It's approximately 1 centimeter square. It's roughly a square bar. I also cast a couple of samples of propellant, same size, and they were left at room temperature. This is a piece of one that was stored at room temperature, also cast exactly 1 week ago, and it is very hard. It's completely firm. As a matter of fact, it was completely firm about 48 hours after casting, and if I try to gouge it with my fingernail, I can't. It's completely hard. It's quite strong. As you can see, I've broken it, but it actually is quite strong. Now here's the sample that I took out of the freezer, and it's clearly still very, very flexible. You can see how it bends and it doesn't break. So it's just as flexible as if it was cast very recently. And also, I've tried gouging with my fingernail. It is quite soft, and it's readily gouged with the fingernail. So I think this little ad hoc experiment demonstrates that there is potential for storing propellant in the freezer in order to kind of freeze its cure, and this will allow it to remain flexible for a much greater period of time than if it's stored at room temperature.